Hello, I'm Daryl Brown from brownconsulting.org, and today we will discuss how to make up a missed meeting. There are times when we have important meetings that we might not be able to attend. And so in reality, it does happen, but here are tips to help you to make up for those missed meetings that might not be rescheduled. Tip number one, record the meeting. If you know in advance that you might not be at a specific meeting that really demands your attention, consider recording it via audio or by videotape. This will enable you to have that opportunity to ensure you don't miss the information that's pertinent or important to you. Tip number two, review highlights of the meeting through minutes or notes. And usually there's an administrative assistant or someone that may be in attendance to the meeting that will give good notes, that will jot down great notes or the minutes, and that can give you a general idea of what has occurred in the meeting, especially important details, special appointments and events that may be important for you in the near future. So in light of that, once you review those notes or minutes, tip number three comes into play. Get briefed. Someone that may have been at the meeting, they can give you a great overview of what's going on, what's happening now, and what might occur in the future. So that way you can still be up to speed on everything that has occurred in that missed meeting, and you can still move forward with the information you need. I'm Daryl Brown from brownconsulting.org, and these are tips on how to make up a missed meeting. Thank you for watching.